In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quiz funnel in Kajabi. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a functional quiz that can engage your audience and gather valuable information. Let's dive in. To start off, you'll want to go to kajabi.com. It's a versatile platform that allows you to build and market your own courses, and today we're zeroing in on creating quizzes. You'll find everything you need to get started right on their website. Once you're there, simply navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Login. Logging in is a breeze. You have the option to use your email, or if you prefer, connect using your Google account. This seamless login process ensures you're signed in quickly and ready to begin building your quiz without any unnecessary interruptions. Once you're logged in and greeted by the dashboard, it's time to look for the Products tab. This is your gateway to all your existing courses, and it's where you can manage and create new content. For your next step, you need to select the course product where you wish to add your quiz. If you haven't yet created a course, you can set up a new one. Creating a new course is just as easy and intuitive as managing existing ones. With a few clicks, you're set up and ready to go. Once you've identified the course, focus on the specific module where you want to integrate your quiz. You will see an option to plus add content. Click on that to begin the process of transforming your ideas into an interactive quiz. Here, you'll select Quiz to open the quiz builder. This tool is both powerful and user-friendly, designed to help you shape your quiz with creativity and precision. It guides you through crafting your questions and responses, ensuring you can tailor them to your audience's needs and your educational objectives. When it comes to designing the questions, Kajabi gives you the freedom to choose from 4 different types. This variety means you can mix things up and keep the quiz engaging, whether you're opting for multiple choice, true or false, or other formats. After you've customized your quiz and you're satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to hit save. Saving your work is crucial. It preserves your progress and ensures all your inputs are captured accurately, ready to be presented to your learners. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a quiz funnel in Kajabi. With these steps, you can easily create an interactive component that adds value to your courses, helping you engage your audience more effectively. I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to utilize Kajabi's full potential in creating educational experiences.